This customized version. It's Harley accessories and Borg in bulk. Blocked a lot. Change to this. Brothers and hubby drove a day and a night. Send me a bunch of spare parts of work in progress. Let me help him build a trolley. All I can say is thanks to trust. This guy has to help him make it happen if he loses money. The engine is not fixed yet. The car frame is cut to casually. Does this carburetor look like a water gun? Fixed positioning of engine combined frame. Have to be redesigned. And this mess of crabs. Just look at it, and you'll see how powerful it is. Let's do it. Let's tidy up this Borg's frame first. The machine is a Harley's Dana. For Borg's shelf. The machine is too big. The original fixed position still has to be cut a lot. The shock absorber can't be padded. Hard connect. Just do a good job of reinforcement. It's not that simple to do a combined car-mounted machine. Just screw it on. Leveling positioning. Transmission matching. It's a very complex project. Let's make a double-layer split adjustable bracket first. Have to separate the engine from the frame. The fixed engine is a separate one. Make a fixed frame. This split adjustable can find the exact position. Only with good auxiliary tools can we work better. Introspection price jacking the engine. Provincial bracket. Directly attached to the car body. Grind a fillet first. Don't hurt yourself. Adjust the engine and frame again. Much easier. Bogo's original rear screen fork. Lightweight is too powerful. Adjust it as much as possible. Cut first. Top suction. That's it after welding. Rear wheel loaded. On the front wheel. What do you think of this gesture? After cutting the foundation of the frame, drag it up first. Does not affect welding. You have to see if you have pressed the pond head. Also towing heavy. It's dangerous here. It's really the result. The craftsmanship is not very good. It doesn't make much sense to see the maintenance. Just give it another one. Putty everywhere. Don't take it off. Don't know. Open. Opening clutch. Change the line. But I haven't found it yet. The finished pad that can fit this car. I guess I'll have to rub my hands. I told you it was a big project. The machine fell in on the welding bench. Just a bunch of hardcore brothers who are not physically fit can't get in. Although the frame is not as thick as the fixing plate, but it has to be 10 millimeters. This power is on top. Brother Monkey's frame is not reinforced. Definitely unreliable. Fix it first. Mark the front. The lower station is fixed with a triangular structure and a split, because the machine of the welding mine is not hung and fixed. It's all down there. So the anchors before and after are very important. The hole marked by the fault in front has to be typed out. Base plate away. Wear the screws and that's it. The front fixed position is also done. Drawing modeling. Let's start making dried pairs. Take note of modern tools. 3D modeling is done. This is still a little more accurate than pure handwork. After all, I'm not an 8th level modesty. Try the data. My hand measurements are pretty accurate. Remove the shield. Try the function. Replace the foot to start. Easy to use. Helicopter connected. Make a temporary gear rack. It actually works. Excuse me, this tank is a bit small. Look at the switch of my scissors. Ollie really consumes electricity. After playing for a while, there will be no power. Then connect the whole piece together. The belt is too loose. But it can also. Just can't hit. There are also pops. It doesn't work either. You check here. Eventually, it will be solved. But first I have to make a softer wheel. Otherwise, both teeth will have to fly. The belt also has to be customized. The previous one was too cowardly. This time it's okay. Customized data is appropriate. The basic printing I use is stainless steel. There's no need for heat treatment. The hardness is just right. So that you are not afraid of playing a big ruler. This little thing will last a while. This is the simplest air intake adjustment. But it works. Add oil and keep trying. Install the starter. After seeing the machine, this screw is also quite dangerous. Fix it while changing it. There are too many problems to solve step by step, and I won't go through them all. Play with this car. We look like old electricians. Live operation. It's almost the same. Have this breathing rhythm. I'm pretty sure this set of machine parts will work. Keep changing it. Cut back from middle finger soft tail. This triangle has to be cut. Compare the location. Organize a few thickened lugs for backup. The shape has to go with the car. All by hand. Okay, try installing it. Spot welding wire fixing. The specific location has to be adjusted. This has to be after landing. It can only be done by matching our car weight and weight. Change the transmission belt. The axles have to move back a bit. This is a small project. Good solution. The style of the oil box made of the electrical box. All installed here. Otherwise, there is no place to put the electrical equipment. Damaged accessories have to be dealt with. The battery is not very good. I have to find a good place. Is no one excited? You must also be protected. Then add decorative pieces. A set of original Borg exhaust. And a set of Harley-specific nails have to be custom made. This pressure bearing. Gotta make a new base. Because of the new spring head. I dare not use the money ring I received. The fuel tank has a window opening model. Take it with you. It's getting tasty. It's all packed. Let's start the long vehicle fine-tuning. I'm not in the mood to shoot the process. You just look at the extent of this show. Just know how we get there. No more sound. The effect is not bad. The next step is to continue. Start at the source. Because all the changes have to be fully welded. Also pay attention to correcting the deformation of the welding. This increase in displacement must be in place. Each piece must be sandblasted and rust removed. Look at this pile. It's all my blood. All accessories are made of armor bottom rust prevention first. The whole car is blackened again. Is it finally available? It feels like a good car. The loading engine has also been blackened by the thermostat. Plated parts like athlete's foot. They are all unified and blackened, all reacted. Not to mention big things like wheels. Look at this order. The left side of the sand table is a little empty and a custom-made set of flanges. Try hitting a vertical. This plate needs to be changed. Okay, this time. Use this pile of cards. Finally, the cloth is lucky. Look at the posture. It's pretty good. You have to sell a watch. Can't you lack anything? Okay, let's make the finished product. This CNC process. Just no metal printing. Save raw materials. But the intensity is still relatively high. Don't worry. Try it. Okay. Do a blackening of Luyangji. It matches. Sit here and wait. High pressure pack. I have to find a good place. Put the mini meter here. Finally landed. What's going on? It's not available after loading. Gotta keep fixing the car. Like an angry bull. That's hot enough. The oil in the mountains is clean. What kind of road is this? Here's another gas waterfall for me. I can't imagine what could happen to this pile of old accessories. But it's okay to have a problem. Can try to completely solve these hidden dangers. You can rest assured to play occasionally in the future. Finished. This messy line will take time to deal with. Call him algebra. Listen to how. It's alright this time. The hidden dangers are solved. Let's appreciate the details. You are lonely. He is from this pile of pieces. Experience this. So. Hundreds of days and nights. It's finally done. Do a maintenance. Give him some fine grain. The gas tank with the window looks like decompression. Light a fire. Try the gear. How did it go? Is this pile of spare parts a success? This kind of half-changed, half-built car has to be the author first. Go for a walk on the closed road section. Come and paint him again. The injury is very wrong. On the trailer. Hit by an untied car next to him. What a pity. Take it apart. It has to be fixed first. The gold foil of the whole truck has to be towed and shoveled first. Painting of the vehicle. Just change the style. Spray and clean up first. Although you can't see it inside. You have to do data repair first. We can't get some chestnuts to fool. Restoration is Bangkok. Arcs are the hardest to fix. And light into a dark style. Skeleton elements are essential. The composition of the fuel tank is a traditional classic category. Very common in the field of tattoos. The Moxibustion box is made in this style. But it's asymmetric. Different diagrams left and right. The lampshade is also detailed. Change the headlamp painting method. Differentiate between others. And finally the tiles, made a very special set of textures. Interested friends can chat. What does this picture look like? Although the mechanism is relatively foreign, but it's also absolutely dark. Let's see how this paint is done. Does the effect come out? At least I like it myself. The vehicle is being refurbished, all blackened. It's been closed for so long, it's cracked. Do a new set. Load it up and get in the car. There is a problem with the rear wheel. Screws and internal magnetism for large shafts. It's all gone. The shaft center has to be rethreaded. It's not that difficult. Make a new screw. Get up on the side. The big hexagon of a dart is ready. On the rear wheel. 3 weeks. Okay. The string pins of the horns can also be lost. The original car belongs to Kawang. I'll change the thread for him. This structure will not be lost as long as it continues. The whole car is loaded. Top coat. When done well, it will show the level of depth. I also knocked off the glue. Clean up. Put a heat shrink. Clean. Let's take a look at the finished product first. The covers are hollow and the furnace is cold. I'm trading in my deluxe men's. They walk in the boulders of a drought-streaking lane. You are. Cold cry cream slack. 1 foot empty. Throw low. every night on the bell. Tell. Where the bitter brides grow. But you can't kill fire. There's got nowhere to go.